Hi, good morning. Paul here. It is May 31st, the end of the month, 2019. Let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market here. Okay, number one here, we've got a 2-bedroom condo, 980 square feet for 100 and a quarter, built in 86. Looks pretty clean, a little dented up refrigerator, but you know, that's the way it goes. Pacific Harbors, where is that? Flamingo and Eastern, okay. That's good. And let's see what else we got here. We got this house down here on Grassy Springs, single family, 4,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, no pool or spa for $1,350,000. Nice staircase. Nice house. Too bad it doesn't have a pool and spa. Got a house this nice, at this price you should have a pool and spa. Sitting way out. With their own tennis court? No, I think that's gotta be the community. Yeah. Interesting. Red Rock Country Club, okay. Over on the west side of the valley. And yesterday, 2-story condo, 3-story plus, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 410, wow. That's small. Lake Las Vegas. Okay. We all know where that is. Right there, right there, right there. Okay. Next in line. Is Turtlehead Peak, 1.377, 4,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, no pool or spa again. Wow. Interesting. That's their backyard. Water hazard there. Nice house. Okay. So, that's the last 2 days. Okay, let's go back to under contracts. 665 properties in contract. And yesterday's closings were this. Yesterday was at 30, oh, today's at 31st, so this has already been reported this morning. Out of the area. Okay, we won't worry about that one. 403, Mid-Park Circle, 265, 1,700 square feet, 385. Okay. Oh, nice looking little house. 265, good deal. No landscaping, just a little bit of slab there. No covered patio either. Oh well, that's what you get for $265 apparently. Alta and Rainbow. Painbow. Okay, then that was yesterday, or that's today. Yesterday, West Terrace Farm manufactured home out of the area. Grand Canyon condominium homes. Nice little unit. For how much? $120. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Also Blanco, okay, over up the northwest. Got it. Then 530, 530, 530. Okay, 3.5 million. Wow, nice picture. Nice pool, nice living area, beautiful view. $3.5 million. This is interesting. Don't know if I've ever seen anything like that. Nice theater room, popcorn machine, wet bar, pretty nice. Wow. So we got this big thing, and then we have, I guess it's the same thing maybe, but this one doesn't look like the same one. No, this is an actual theater room, and then this is just a big, must do a lot of entertaining here. Huh, big wet bar there. So we got a theater room outside the theater room probably, big tub there. Interesting house. Slip away for a minute there. Alright, so that's that, and got to do some other work here real quick, so I'm gonna have to cut this short. I'll try to come back a little bit later on today and finish this up, but we went through the sales and so on, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.